Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Saeco espresso machine. This was brought in because it wasn't brewing any coffee, and so we did a tune-up, which is where we deep clean the machine, the brew spout, and everything that's involved in the brewing process, replacing the gaskets and relubricating them. And now everything is working fine, so let's pull a shot. Alright, there you have it. Saeco working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.